welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to create this glittery smoky eye using the Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors. I'm going to start off using a fluffy blending brush and dip it in the color Churro, and I'm going to apply it on the outer edge and work my way towards the crease, keeping a very light hand. Switching up to a more precise brush, I'm going to dip it in the same color and deepen out the outer edge. And then I'm going to use the color Cheens from the same palette. It's a much darker brown, and pack it on the outer edge and darken it. After that, for the lid, I'm going to use a matte black eyeshadow, and I'm going to use a flat shader brush to really pack on the eyeshadow on my lid. This matte black eyeshadow is from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm just gonna blur out any harsh edges from the black eyeshadow and just blend it into the crease. After that, I'm just gonna dip into the color Game Over. This shade is beautiful. It's like a navy blue black glittery shade, and it did apply really well. Like, it did not have a lot of fallout like I thought it would have. So I'm just gonna pack it on my lid using my ring finger. And then with a pencil brush, I'm going to take the matte black eyeshadow and darken the edges out. And again, I'm just blurring it out with the brown eyeshadow. Into Churro again on a pencil brush and line my waterline to transition the black that I'm applying with this really thin brush very near to my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to use a very dark blue kohl and just line my waterline. Following it up with this mascara from the Benefit. Really like this mascara. I'm going to use it on my lower lash line. And then after that, I'm going to use this Heavy Metal glitters by Urban Decay. This is a glitter liner, and I'm just going to pop some glitter on the inner edge of my eye, just for a pop of glitter. And this is the final look.